Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude AI to Jira in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on atlassian.com/software/Jira, which is the official website of Jira software. Now, over here, you can get started for free, or if you want to continue with your Google account, you can also go ahead and do so. If you already have an account, you can also click on the option of sign in on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can provide your sign in credentials and you can basically get access to your dashboard by signing into your account. Now, when you have done that, you just have to open a new tab. Over here in the search bar, simply search for Claude.ai. When you log in inside Claude.ai, click on the option of customize, then click on the option of connect your apps. Now over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for Jira. So here simply use this particular search bar and then you just have to search for Jira. Now when you're able to find the Jira application over here in this particular section, you just have to click on the option of the plus icon right next to it. Then what this is going to do is it is going to automatically redirect you here on the atlassians.com website, where you just have to simply select Jira in this list, and you can also select Confluence and you can also select Compass. Afterwards, click on the option of approve and then you will be redirected in your Claude AI account with the prompt that would say that you have successfully connected Atlassian and your Jira, Confluence and the Compass accounts easily. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.